We did it last time too. It's funny, actually.
I wrote Zoom just now. I was like, you guys, we have to figure this out. Okay.
That's okay.
All right, go ahead.
I'll finish up. What I was going to say to you is, one, when I'm in New York, which is typically consistently every 2 to 3 months, I'll have you meet my esthetician there. Do you know of esthetician Rachel Lowe or, oh my God, Sylvia? I'm trying to think what her last name is.
We can send it to you later.
I'll send it to you. I want you to meet her. She'll give you a free facial. You have to write about her with me. She's amazing. She has like all the top like women that care about their face. Like she is like the person. And then what I was saying to you is, a lot of my celebs, they actually come to me because they want to pay to have a real assessment. They don't want to be like just given something for free and see, like, we have a plan together.
Right.
So with you, we're going to do something. I want to have a plan. So my initial plan would be, I'll send you the kit and the products. I want you to start it, do the kit. When I see you in New York, we can actually do some lasers, maybe a little bit. There's another kit that we haven't released yet that's a little bit of a bigger peel. Okay. Get you up to the time. And then 6 weeks before, it's just fine tuning, you know?
Amazing.
Yeah. So the idea behind it is not obviously obviously you have to write about the ingredients and what it looks like and feels like, but I really want people to resonate that this was a brand made for all people. It was by using my background knowledge and my online influencing, I want to be able to get this out to, you know, people that feel they want to look good and take a stand in their life, you know, do things, give them the courage to whatever it would be.
Totally. You know, I'm really interested in everything. All the products sound amazing. And I really like that the packaging isn't super, you know, gendered one way or another.
No, it's funny. You know, I have a lot of opinions, different ways. I went through many renditions. I really like clean, simple type of thing. I know that for consumers, like you go to Sephora, they like colors, they like, you know, and I said, that's fine. I mean, I could do that eventually. I've had people say to me, this is very masculine, but the funny part is the women, this is what I said, the women that actually care about their skin love this packaging.
Well, I think what it is too is that, like, think about brands that actually work, you know, like they don't have things in hot pink. They don't have things in
like Chanel, for example, which is basically my, like, if I had to meet somebody, it's like whoever created, you know, obviously the creators of Chanel, like I love their branding. I love Prada's branding.
Yeah.
I just wanted like very, very clean, straight to the point. It explains exactly what it is. And when you also can make it a lifestyle with something that's like a bright pink or a color. Your lifestyle would be more like makeup or video or something. It's not going to be the working professional going to, you know, TV or a boardroom or something like that necessarily. I mean, this in the small travel sizes, when we get them, like could easily go into a briefcase or something like that and pop it out. You know, even at the chapstick like that can look very luxurious and not be that expensive, which is what I wanted to do. Even these boxes, we limited the amount of paper that, or whatever, cardboard ingredient that's made so that we could make it more eco-friendly. I couldn't make like a completely green box. Like I just did not like the ones that they had. It just,
I mean, I think it's like pretty limiting, you know?
Yeah. But if you look like, for example, half the box is this dissolvable foam and you can put this in an enzyme and it disappears. So actually it's really cool. It doesn't like damage the environment. So if you look at like the box, only the board, normally you have a full box. This part is like, doesn't affect it at all. So it's much better for the environment, and the cost made it way less for a consumer, but I couldn't get it in America. That was the problem. I tried to get this here and it was like $5 for the box, which is, if you look at like brands, like real big brands, they're paying like, I mean, you'd be surprised, 50 to 80 cents.
Yeah.
A box. Whereas, you know, these are top $2, but even people think I'm crazy, but I'm like, it needs to be better for the environment. It needs to have a nice look.
I mean, I also think consumers, like, they get to a point where like they notice these things, you know, like, you can't just like put out another product that's like full of like unnecessary packaging that's like,
I agree,
because people are just like, they see through that, you know.
I agree.
Yeah. And I think Julie will really appreciate this line too, because it's for all skin types.
That's what I wanted.
Yeah.
And that's the key, because half my patients are darker skin and they need to be able to use, you know, that's why originally I made the tint, because in the sunscreen, because I wanted everybody to be able to, it's a good enough tint that a light skin tone can blend it easily, but it's a good enough tint that a dark skin tone doesn't, it doesn't look off balance.
Like or something,
yeah. No, not at all.
But
actually, my very good friend is Elijah Blake. He writes for, if you look him up on Instagram, he writes for like almost every major makeup artist, like Justin Timberlake and Adele and everything. So I gave him a bunch of these and I was like, put this on all your Black friends. I was like, I need to know what they think. And like 3 of them came in one day and I was like, what's going on? They're like, dude, this, I've used everything. This is amazing. So I was thinking about making him his own line of sunscreens for dark skin.
Yeah, that's cool.
Also, a percentage of the proceeds throughout the whole year are going to go to Black Lives Matters movements, organizations, as well as LGBTQ.
Yeah, and right now we're don't put this in the article, but I'm in talks with Trevor Project to be their 2020 and 2021 brand ambassador. So they'll announce that we're going to partner, and then anyone that buys through them these products, we're going to give proceeds to them.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, like I said, to me, it's a legacy thing more than it is money, but I want to make money so I can make more products. So that's my thing. My CEO is like, when do you think you'll ever actually take a profit? I was like, I don't know, maybe never. I was like, just pay back what I spent and make me 100 products. That's what I said. I was like, I just want to have like 100 kits, like where someone has something and they think Emerage kit.
Right. There's a kit for that. Yeah.
We'll figure out the rest.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So, all right. Well, I appreciate it so much. You're working on getting her stuff, right?
Oh yeah. So Lauren, if you want to send me your New Jersey address, I'll send it there.
I'll send you. I'm so excited to try everything.
Yeah,
I would love if you don't mind, take pictures.
Yeah, no, I definitely will. Especially
do you know the YouCam app? Do you know YouCam?
Yeah.
So use the YouCam app and take pictures with it as you use the product. I'm working with them, and it definitely shows an improvement. We've used it with the app, and at least it's something you can do at home. See if your skin improves.
Are you going to be on their call on Tuesday?
Me?
No, Lauren.
Oh, I'm not sure.
Trachtenberg?
Someone on my team is doing it.
Okay.
I'll find out who.
Jason will be on it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I can find out and I'll let you know. It'll be
that'd be great. That'd be super great. Lauren, thank you so much. Really appreciate your time.
I can't wait till you get it and you try it.
Yes.
I'm excited. It was nice to meet you, Julie. It was so good to see you.
Good to see you, and I look forward to seeing you soon, hopefully.
Bye.
All right, thanks, Lauren.